What is going on YouTube? Chris back finally with another video after a long hiatus. Today we are going to be checking out a case actually for the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3. This case is from Wasserstein and they did send this over to me to check out for you all. This can be picked up on Amazon for about 13 bucks depending on if there's a sale. I know there is a discount code right now. You can check out that down in the video description where you can pick this up. So currently right now I have on this phone is the Samsung leather first party case. Now, leather, there are some advantages, disadvantages. It's been great. I do enjoy the cutout for the fingerprint scanner and the nice button for the volume. But other than that, there does leave leather is leather. So I don't know, not too sold on it, but different video at that point in time. So let's go ahead and take that case off. And let's take a look at what the Wasserstein shock absorbent protective case offers. So looks like it's two pieces. There is a ring, multi-use ring built into the back of the case. All right, now that we got the case unpackaged, we see that this also is a multi-part case. And this also too has some adhesive here along the bottom to keep the case attached onto the Flip 3. Is on the both. It looks like you might need to peel off a little bit on the bottom portion for it to actually be adhesive. And then this is the feeling of this is like, wow, this feeling is really, really nice. This is like a soft touch TPU along the edges and a hard kind of frosted polycarbonate back. Here is that ring, which you can then just flip up and pull out. Now you have a nice grip, and it'll also act as a stand. Looks like you have all cutouts. So let's go ahead and get this on the phone itself. That's most important. Make sure the phone is slid into place all the way down. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same for the top. First, apologies for the actual quality of this video. Setup has changed a little bit, so I'm not able to really use the same type of camera equipment, but I'm trying to make it work for you all. So here it is. It does add a little bit of bulk compared to the leather case, but I find this a lot more protective. The fingerprint scanner is, I would say, more difficult. It is more difficult to reach down inside the hole cutout. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that. The buttons are still clicky and tactile, so that's good. And you do have a nice additional camera protection on the back with this raised lip and the camera also recessed. When it's completely open, the hinge is protected, so that's good. You do have some nice protection on the front as well. So you are able to put this down on a surface and the screen is protected. When fully closed, the two portions of the case come together so that it's creating a nice, decent kind of protection seal so nothing can kind of get in between. And here is the ring itself. So when opened up, you can set this down horizontally. Let's see if this can be... So you could technically, yeah, it's not going to be able to hold vertically the weight of the whole phone. It will kind of tip over just like that, but it will hold the phone horizontally, not a problem. So that's awesome. You can watch some nice videos and content horizontally. So it looks like all the holes for the microphone, speaker, USB charging port, microphone up top are all nicely positioned. The flash is also nice cut out there. This polycarbonate will be a nice accent depending on what color phone you get. So you're going to be able to get a little bit of viewing pleasure of your color there through the case itself. My only downside, a knock on this case, is this hole cut out for the fingerprint scanner. It is recessed in there, and the hole is actually not really positioned centrally over the fingerprint scanner. I would have wished this was just completely cut out. But other than that, the case is pretty nice. For $13, I think this is a really good option for a fully protective case. But I wouldn't say this is... I could see that this is going to be fingerprinty if your fingers are oily. It's going to get and collect on this soft touch material, so you might need to wipe it down from time to time. There is cut out for a wrist strap here on the bottom as well. Overall, it's a pretty good option, to be honest. It's, I would say, more protective than what the leather case offers from Samsung. So if you do want to check it out, grab the link down in the description. This will take you right to it. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them as always. So thank you again, Wasserstein, for sending this over. You guys have a great one. You take care. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.